Everything begins in the electronics department, where the boards that represent the technological heart of our products are designed and manufactured. Production is carried out entirely in-house, using high-precision machinery. Supporting the production process, single-phase and three-phase transformers are also manufactured, designed to meet every power supply requirement. Operators take care of the assembly and processing of transformers, following precise and controlled procedures. Production then continues with the assembly of the control panel. The operator prepares the structure and proceeds with the installation of each component. During assembly, every component is identified and registered through coding systems, ensuring full traceability of all materials used. At the same time, a photographic system documents each step of the process, creating a visual record of the control panel. The process then moves on to wiring. For conductor processing, professional tools, such as ferrule crimping tools, are used to ensure safe and long-lasting connections, along with dedicated equipment for tightening and proper cable management. Before final testing, each control panel undergoes an internal pre-testing phase. Cable bending and routing are also carried out to ensure order and precision inside the panel. The goal is to bring the product to the final testing phase in the best possible condition. The control panel then moves to the testing phase. Through dedicated software and simulators, complete functional tests are performed to verify the correct operation of the system. Real operating conditions are simulated, including configuration and testing of communication devices. At the same time, in the pre-wired lines department, all accessory components, such as push-button panels and control systems, are tested, ensuring full integration with the control panel. The distinctive feature of the pre-wired systems lies in the organization of the wiring. Connections are color-coded, and each wire is individually identified according to its function. Once testing is completed, the control panel is packaged. Shipments are carried out using wooden crates, designed to ensure maximum protection during transport. This phase is also fully traceable, thanks to photographic documentation of everything that is shipped. From production to testing, all the way to shipment, every detail is handled with precision. This is how Ematic control panels are created. Reliable solutions, designed to perform over time.